The State Department of Commerce is expanding into a new field, childcare.
Commerce officials this week announcing they're adding a child care business liaison to try to help businesses help their workers find quality child care options.
WRL Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie joining us now in the studio live with why Commerce Secretary Machelle Sanders says this is necessary. Laura.
You might not think of child care as an economic development issue, but if you can't find child care, you can't go to work, and that can be a real problem for businesses who want to move or expand here. And nearly half of North Carolina families with children live in child care deserts, places where there aren't enough child care slots for children who need them, or where it's financially out of reach for most families. That can really cut into the available workforce in those areas, making them less attractive to new businesses. The new child care liaison is a joint project with State Health and Human Services and a nonprofit called Invest Early NC. The State Commerce Secretary Machelle Sanders says the liaison will work with companies interested in coming to this state to look for solutions in advance.
Helping them come up with ways to subsidize child care, offer solutions to their employees, even create child care centers if necessary.
Sanders says they're hoping to be able to help businesses that are already here as well. She says many are telling her the problem has gotten worse after the pandemic when so many preschools and child cares closed their doors. Sanders also says the state needs to invest in more early childhood education, including more money for child care subsidies and better pay for pre-K teachers and staff. Dan?
There isn't a family I know with young kids who isn't constantly having the conversation about child care.
Yep.
Laura.